When COVID-19 hit us in March of 2020, Genesee Health Plan had to go into action. We first had to figure out how to cover our members for COVID testing and then COVID vaccines. We organized 4 vaccine clinics and testing clinics so that people could have easy access to those here in our community. And we had those here on Genesee Health Plan's site. We have valued partners like R.L. Jones Community Center, Health Alliance Plan, Valley Area Agency on Aging that have all come together to work on COVID-19 in our community. Let's hear from some of those partners.
For over the past 4 to 5 years, HAP and GHP have been partners in promoting good health. So the vaccinations is just a continuation of our partnership. I mean, it's benefit not only the community, but it benefit both organizations because as a healthcare provider, it's our job to cover you if you have the need of service, and it's GHP's job to provide the resources, which they do a marvelous job of doing this. So it only makes sense. And if you care about your family, you need to get vaccinated. We're happy. You don't want people to walk around with sad faces. And in order to be happy, that's good health, activity, partnership. So that's why we're involved. And then it's good to have partners who understand their role. And that's how we come together as a community to move forward. You want to go out to the parties, a happy birthday party. You want to go out to an anniversary, anniversary party. You want to go out to a bar mitzvah. You want to go out to church. You want to go out to the concerts or participate in our curriculum activities. That's why HAP is involved.
As the director for the R.L. Jones, we actually partner with GHP. We have a lot of literature that we go out to our residents on. We have a lot of documentation and literature that we actually post on our website for our residents. And we also do vaccinations and sites here. R.L. Jones provided food, water, clothes, necessity needs, personal items, and actually a host of kid supplies, school supplies. The event was held for actually to get the word out regarding GHP vaccinations and to also help people who was in need of food and water at that time. We actually deliver through MTA, grocery on the move, really. We have senior adults, we have anyone affected by lead, anyone who actually just can't get themselves through the need of nutrition for the month. We supply them with breakfast, lunch, and dinner. We go through a manifest of Genesee County. We actually help provide them through their nourishment meals through the month. Now, we understand that people are afraid to get vaccinated because of what they heard. We ask that you actually read our GHP pamphlets that we provide for vaccinations on the effects of vaccinations, how it partakes, and what stops the spread. So all that we ask is if you don't want to get vaccinated, just please, please, wash your hands, wear your mask, and social distance.
The Valley Area Agency on Aging's overall mission is to keep seniors as independent as possible for as long as possible and keep them in the community setting of their choice. And we do that many, many different ways. Some of those ways is we provide an in-home assessment to see what the senior's level of care is, and we work with our supports coordinators to bring services into the home. Many of our services are free or very minimal donation is asked or cost sharing is asked. And then we also fund many organizations in the community such as Home Deliver Meals, Congregate Meals, Legal Services of Eastern Michigan, many different services in the community. Valley Area Agency on Aging believes that partnerships are pivotal in order to provide services to the full gambit to keep seniors in their home. One of those partnerships is with Genesee Health Plan, and we work together side by side to make sure our seniors are safe in Genesee County. One way we partner with Genesee Health Plan is with the National Network to Innovate for COVID and Adult Vaccine Equity. It's also called the NICE Grant, in partnership with the Community Foundation of Greater Flint. We did a vaccine video with leaders in the community sharing some of their personal stories regarding why they felt and why I was in it as well, and why I feel that getting vaccinations and boosters are very important for seniors in Genesee County. Another way we partner with the Genesee Health Plan is we make referrals for homebound seniors to the Genesee Health Plan so that the mobile vaccination unit can go and get vaccinated when they're seniors homebound in their home and they can't go out to get vaccinated. We make those referrals with Genesee Health Plan so that they can come to the senior. We have an amazing network of staff who really care about our seniors in our community and the mission of the organization. Our tagline is, we help you with all things senior. So if you have any questions, even if you want volunteer opportunities, because we have a retired senior and volunteer program also called RSVP. We have wellness programs. We have wellness check programs, we have exercise programs, we have education for caregivers. Valley Area Agency on Aging does a lot more than most people realize. So if you have a question about anything senior, or if you're a caregiver caring for your parent or your spouse who's a senior, please give us a call at 810-239-7671.
Healthcare coverage is so important now, especially with COVID-19, because people need to have access to a primary care doctor, a trusted professional that can answer their questions about COVID-19, about COVID testing, about COVID vaccines, COVID boosters. It's important to have that relationship so that you can have an honest dialogue and get your questions answered. And it also, healthcare coverage provides a coverage so that you can get COVID vaccines, you can get COVID testing, you have a coverage that will pay for those things. So it's more important now than ever, if you do not have healthcare coverage, to get it, and there's so many options and opportunities for you. If a Genesee County resident wants a vaccine and doesn't have health care coverage, this is a place to come at Genesee Health Plan. Our office is at 2171 South Linden Road. You can call us at 844-232-7740, and you can find out how you can make an appointment to enroll into Genesee Health Plan. Or we can also see if you can enroll into Medicaid, Medicare, or even the Affordable Care Act. We're a one-stop shop for all healthcare enrollment. People can go online to our website, geneseehealthplan.org, and find out all the information they need about healthcare enrollment. Want to bring the criteria? That's geneseehealthplan.org. No one in Genesee County should be without health insurance. So if you know somebody, if it's yourself or a family member or a friend, and they don't have health insurance or health care coverage, they can just come right here to Genesee Health Plan.